In this video we will do Router Eigrp Protocol configuration with 2 routers and 2 pieces. Connect pieces with routers, and routers connected to each other. Assigned IP to PCs. Connect PC with the router. Click on the PC and assign IP to each PC. These are default gateway. These gateway use in router configuration. Between 2 routers networks are same but network of pieces is different as routers. You can see on screen. In routers case we use same network part but host part different. After this click on the router and click on CLI. Enter and then write enable. Now write config T. After this assign IP to each connected port. Click on simulation and run it. The first time it can fail. You send the message again. So successfully sent message.